Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. So today we're going to be unboxing this detachable fruit basket. What I like most about this basket is that it is shaped geometrically, so it's kind of unique. And as you can see, there is a hanging basket on top that you can remove, and you can use that hook for hanging bananas. So this is the first smaller piece. This is the detachable basket that hangs. And then we have the bigger piece. This is measuring around 9 to 10 inches. And then we have the base, which is made of a thick metal. And you're supposed to attach the hook into those two holes that you're seeing. So the next part is the hook, where you're going to attach the basket, or you can also use it as a banana holder. So I'm gonna attach it like so. So this bottom piece doesn't attach to the base, but it has like some balls for like a stand, so it's elevated from the surface, so it doesn't get wet. If the surface gets wet, there's a little bit of clearance there, like a half an inch. And then there's the top piece where you can hang your detachable basket, and you can also hang a banana. I'm showing you right now. So it's pretty sturdy. You can hold a lot of bananas, and now I'm just arranging the fruits, and so you can have an idea how many apples can fit. So it can fit around 6 to 7 apples in the bottom, and then 5 on the top. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. See you on the next one.